Before we go home, we should go to Linda's and check on her. Make sure she's okay. Not that our house would be any warmer, but she's got a big open space with no ceiling. So.
And she didn't clean her chimney out, or I'd say we'd go over and start a fire for her.
Yeah. Timmy's is closed, but the parking lot's full.
The Eli young man drug last night, and actually
lots of big trees in Cookstown got damaged.
Any hangover cures, and they don't even have anything. No suggestions whatsoever. You know who you have to go to? Blake Shelton, and he says Pedialytics. Blake?
Oh, buddy, you got the right away. There's a wire down, branch hung on the tree, on the wires. What's that?
They're getting ready to build houses.
Yeah, probably. Oh, trees down in the road. Wow, that's a big branch. Yeah, it doesn't seem like there's a lot here. A little bit, but not much. Still breezy though, you can feel the wind, eh?
Yep.
Look at this willow tree. Wow. Pine trees, look at this. Oh, the crews were along cutting them already. I'll just go right across the 9th, I guess. Go check on Linda.
Go ahead and check your phone like I've been checking mine. Nobody's texting for rewind.
More branches down. That tree looks completely like devastated. Look at these guys. Look how droopy those wires are. The telephone poles are bent, like the hydro poles are bent. They're leaning. Still can't get over the sound of those trees coming down last night. Like, it was amazing to hear.
I heard this morning when I got up to Crackle.
You could hear it? Yeah. When the trees were actually breaking, it sounded like gunshots and thunder. This is the 11th, right?
No, this is the 9th, I think.
Oh, yeah.
This is where I used to go across.
Yeah. No, the 11th was in Newton Robinson.
That's 10. We come across.
Oh, yeah, the 11th north of Newton Robinson.
Okay.
Let's see the sign.
Sorry?
Did you see the sign with all the icicles? Oh, look at that poor tree. I wonder how many raccoons fell out of trees last night. And squirrels.
Well, they survived and made it out of here because I don't see a whole bunch of carcasses.
Yeah. See the local squirrels at our place saying, well, there goes my apartment. hard to believe I was out in a t-shirt the other day. This river's pretty swollen.
It's over its banks. That's a pretty house, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, it's really nice.
It's a really nice houses up that road.
Yeah.
Because I came across one day and there was an accident, so I had to go up there to the tent and across and back down.
Central Ontario's Hot New Country, Emerson Drive, that kind of beautiful. Blake Shelton with his latest tune called To Come Here to Forget. Apparently his new album is going to be out in May. And there are rumblings that
he's got a Santa Claus flag?
Have a duet on there.
Oh,
and he does like to, sing
Santa
with,
Claus on a purple flag saying ho, ho, ho.
Good on him. I'm looking forward to hearing that. Jason Blaine as well with Spotlight. Good morning, it's Amy. Brett Eldridge is on the way next.
Oh, these people, look, they put that stupid color in their pond.
I like this house.
I like the house. I hate the color in the pond. That's ugly.
It's got a liner.
No, it's not a liner. That's color. You can buy
No, it's got a liner.
Enjoy any journey with Mazda's
I saw them build it.
technology.
Yeah.
It's one reason why the 2016 CX-3 won Ajax Canadian.
Because I've seen some pond places, they sell color to put in your water to make your water blue. It looks ugly. I hate it.
If the water is blue, it should be because the sky is reflecting in it.
A brilliant week.
If it's gray and hazy day, the water should be clear, gray, hazy.
Yeah.
A delightful week delivered with a decade.
I love cedar fences.
There's nothing finer than your favorite. Free.
Even when they're collapsing like that, they look nice.
Buy any 7 Big Cafe hot beverages and enjoy a free medium of your choice on us. Only in participating.
There's a guy hanging over the road. Coming out.
Easter weekend. Rockstar Energy National Snowcross Racing returns to Horseshoe Resort this weekend for 3 days of pro racing. It's the annual Daco National Snowcross Finals. Pro racing under the lights Friday night starting at 7 p.m. See racers from Canada, the USA, and Europe get huge airtime. View all the racing action from the extended Horseshoe Party patio. Meet the pro skidoo racers and the Rockstar girls. It's the Daco National Snowcross Finals at Horseshoe Resort this Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday. Sponsored by St. Ol's
We
Recreation.
haven't had much snow this year. How can they have like snowmobile contests? There's not been any snow.
We're from 1-800-GOT-JUNK. Hi, the magic is here.
We point at junk and it disappears, right?
Point to something, even if it's outside, anything. That was fun.
I love this.
All you have to do is point.
I like this
The
part.
house feels so much
Yeah.
bigger.
How do you do that? It happens automatically when you press the magic numbers and letters. The magic
This is where Margaret and Jerry's is, up on this corner.
Yeah.
J-U-N-K. Or visit 1-800-GOT-JUNK.com.
I don't know if they live there anymore.
I don't think they do. Because I used to see Jerry or Margaret in the Foodland all the
I
time.
haven't seen them for ages.
Several years.
Why not go local and try Ontario's Union Red VQA?
And even driving by here, I'd see people in the vehicles.
Yeah, and it's not them.
It wasn't Margaret and
Look
Jerry.
at this one.
Inspiration this month at the LCBO.
Holy cow.
Look out your window. There's probably an F-Series truck nearby. Because for the last 50 years, it's been the best-selling line of trucks in Canada. These are 2016 5-liter F-150 XLT Super Crew 4x4.
Michelle and Rob probably went to her parents.
2 weeks at 0.9%
Yeah, maybe.
APR for 36 months with $25.95 down. Plus,
He had satin buckets on his trees.
towards most new F-Series. The air like this is undisputed. Details at FindYourFord.ca.
You can tell these trees have suffered over the years, eh?
Yeah.
Two geese sitting in the puddle.
Oh, I never even noticed
They're
them.
just both sitting in the puddle.
Circus you want.
that this is an issue for women who are pregnant or are planning to be pregnant. So I'm going to assume that women who know I'm definitely not going to be, men in general, and maybe children, this is not an issue.
No, not at all. And see, the virus itself, 80% of the people who get the infection never even realize they're infected. Of the 20% who will get the infection, most of them have aches and pains, maybe some inflammation of their eyes. They feel like they've had a bit of a cold for about 5 to 7 days, and it's gone. No deaths, no serious complications, nothing reported in our scientific or medical literature about it being serious in that respect. The warning now is purely for women who are thinking of becoming pregnant or are pregnant because of the risk or the danger. And this is not a virus that we think is being spread from person to person. This is a virus that's being spread by a very specific mosquito. And this mosquito exists in the Caribbean, in Latin America, Brazil, other countries like that. You don't have to worry about getting it here in Canada, aside from the fact that it's far too cold for any mosquito to bite you right now. The type of mosquito isn't a mosquito that we see in Canada. So this is a locally spread infection taken from person to person by an infected mosquito, only in areas where this mosquito exists.
All right, now when you say women who are thinking of becoming pregnant, what kind of timeline? Because somebody might have said, well, we're getting married next year, we're going to have 5 years of just the two of us, and then maybe we'll have some children.
That's a brilliant question. No, it's only around the time that you're actually thinking of becoming pregnant at that very moment. So in other words, around the time of conception, the first trimester, second trimester, third trimester, the virus doesn't stay in your system. As far as we know, it's only a problem then and there, at that moment. And so if you're not thinking of becoming pregnant now, or in the foreseeable future, very close future, as you're traveling type thing, or aren't already pregnant, you don't have to worry about the virus staying around in your system. It's a one-shot infection. You get it, it passes, and you won't get it again, and you won't keep it in your system, and it won't affect the future development or future pregnancies. It's being pregnant now or